Good morning everyone. Friends, today we are going to study chapter number 3, bacteria. Bacteria. Now points: introduction, general characters, classification of bacteria on the basis of morphology, structure of bacterial cell, gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, reproduction and economic importance of bacteria. Now introduction. First point is introduction. The term bacterium is a Greek word, means a small stick or a small rod. The word bacteria is derived from Greek word bacterian, means a small stick or a small rod. Bacteria were discovered by the scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1676. Bacteria are the simple unicellular microorganisms. Bacteria are nothing but the simple unicellular microorganism. They are wide in distribution. They occurs everywhere. They are found in water, air, milk, soil. They are also found in the bodies of animals and plants. Some of the bacteria are found in hot spring and some are found in ice. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology, and the person who is specialized in bacteria are called bacteriologist. Now, general characters of bacteria. Bacteria are the simple unicellular microorganisms. In bacteria, cells are prokaryotic. Cells are prokaryotic. In the cell, true nucleus is absent. Other cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. In bacteria, cell wall is rigid, strong and made up of peptidoglycan. Bacteria are autotrophic or heterotrophic in nutrition. They are autotrophic or heterotrophic in nutrition. Bacteria absorb dissolved food material. They absorb dissolved food. The bacteria vary in their size. They are 0.5 micron to 5 micron in diameter and up to 10 micron in length. Bacteria vary in their shape. They may be spherical. Bacteria may be either spherical, cylindrical, spiral or comma shaped. Bacteria may be either aerobic or anaerobic. They may be motile or non-motile. They reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. These are the characters of bacteria. Bacteria are simple unicellular microorganisms. In bacteria, cells are prokaryotic. Their cell wall is rigid and made up of peptidoglycan. They may be either autotrophic or heterotrophic. They absorb dissolved food material. They may be 0.5 micron to 5 micron in diameter and up to 10 micron in length. The bacteria also vary in their shape. Some of the bacteria are spherical, some are cylindrical, spiral, and comma shaped. Some of the bacteria are aerobic and some are anaerobic. Some bacteria are motile and some are non-motile. Bacteria reproduces by vegetative, asexual, and sexual methods. This is about the general characters of bacteria. Next point is classification are types of bacteria on the basis of morphology. On the basis of morphology, the bacteria are 4 types, namely cocci, and vibrios. Now cocci, the spherical bacteria are called cocci. Yes, come in. The spherical shaped bacteria are called cocci. The cocci are non-motile bacteria. Cocci bacteria occurs singly or in groups. The cocci bacteria are of various types such as monococci. When the cocci bacteria occurs singly like this, they are called monococci. When cocci bacteria occurs in 2 number, when they occurs in pair, known as diplococci, like this. Diplo means 2. Diplococci. When cocci bacteria occurs in 4 number, known as tetracocci. Tetracocci. When cocci bacteria form a chain known as streptococci. Streptococci. Like this. When cocci bacteria occurs in group known as staphylococci. When they are found in group, they are called staphylococci, like this. Staphylococci. When they occur in cubical form, they are called Sarcina. Now, bacilli, the rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli. The rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli. The bacilli bacteria are motile. They occur singly or in groups. They are also various types, such as monobacilli, like this. Monobacilli or bacilli. When they are found in 2 number or in pair, they are called diplobacilli. Like this. Diplobacilli. When they occurs in a chain, when they form a chain, such type of bacilli bacteria are called streptobacilli. like this. Now spiruli. The spiral shaped bacteria are called spiruli, like this. Spiruli. They are spiral in shape. Comma shaped bacteria are called vibrios. When the bacteria are comma shaped, they are called vibrios, like this. In this way, on the basis of shape, bacteria are mainly 4 types: cocci, bacilli, spiruli, and vibrios. Now, structure of bacterial cell. In bacteria, the cells are prokaryotic because a true nucleus is absent. Other cell organelles are also absent. Such type of cells are called prokaryotic cell. Structure of bacterial cell. Its flagellum. These are called pili. This is nucleid. These are mesosomes. These are ribosomes. These are polyhedral granules. These are Synophycean stars. In bacteria, cells are prokaryotic. The bacterial cell consists of different parts, namely capsule. This is capsule, cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, this is cytoplasm, flagella, pili, these are pili. It also contains ribosomes, polysomes, polyhedral granules. This is mesosomes, nucleide. It is nucleide. Synophysin starch, etc. Now capsule. Capsule is the outer thin and slimy layer of bacterial cell. It is secreted by cell wall. It gives protection to the bacterial cell. Below the capsule, cell wall is present. In bacterial cell, cell wall is strong and rigid. It is made up of peptidoglycan. Now flagella. Flagella is a thin and hair-like appendage of bacterial cell. It is thin and hair-like appendage. It develops from the granular body known as blepharoplast. Flagella is made up of flagellin. It is made up of protein known as flagellin. The function of flagella is locomotion or movement. Now pili. The pili are present all over the surface of bacterial cell. The pili are short and thin. They are shorter than the flagella. They present all over the surface of bacterial cell. They help in attachment. Now plasma membrane. It present below the cell wall. This is the plasma membrane. It is made up of proteins, lipid, etc. Now mesosome. In bacterial cell, the plasma membrane becomes folded and form complex structure known as mesosomes. It receives the DNA molecule from the donor cell. It contains oxidative enzymes. Now cytoplasm. The cytoplasm present below the plasma membrane. It contains nucleide, ribosomes, polysomes, polyhedral granules, synophysin starch, etc. Now ribosomes. These are small and spherical bodies. They are present in bacterial cell. Their function is protein synthesis. In photosynthetic bacteria, the bacterial cell contains the chlorophyll pigment known as bacteriochlorophylls. Now nucleide. Nucleide present in the center of bacterial cell. It contains a single double-stranded and circular DNA molecule. This is about the structure of bacterial cell. Gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Gram is the name of scientist who discovered the simple procedure to stain the bacteria. Stain the bacteria with crystal violet stain, then mordant with iodine solution, treated the bacteria with alcohol or acetone, and finally counterstain the bacteria with safranin. This is the gram stain, that is crystal violet iodine solution. It also required alcohol and the safranin stain. First upon stain the bacteria with crystal violet, then mordant with iodine solution and treated with alcohol or acetone, and finally counter stain the bacteria with safranin. Now gram positive bacteria. What are gram positive? Those bacteria retain original stain after the treatment of alcohol are called gram positive bacteria. Cocci are the gram positive bacteria. They retain the original stain because their cell wall is thick, which does not allow the alcohol penetrate. Now gram negative bacteria. Those bacteria does not retain original stain after the treatment of alcohol are called gram negative bacteria. Bacilli are the gram negative bacteria because the cell wall of bacilli bacteria are thin. Introduction, general characters, classification of bacteria on the basis of morphology and structure of bacterial cell, as well as gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Study reproduction in bacteria. Reproduction in bacteria. Bacteria reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. Now vegetative reproduction. In bacteria, vegetative reproduction takes place by cell division, binary fission, etc. Binary fission means bacterial cell divides and form two new bacterial cells known as binary fission. Now asexual reproduction. In bacteria, asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores, conidia, endospores, etc. Now zoospore. The motile spores in bacteria are called zoospore. Zoospores are produced during the favorable condition. When the condition is favorable, then each zoospore germinate and form new bacterial cell. Now conidia. The conidia are produced by filamentous bacteria, for example Streptomyces, Actinomycetes, etc. The conidia are non-motile. They produced in chain like this. These are conidia. They produced in chain. They get detached, germinate and produce new bacterial cell. Now endospore. In this type, the spores are produced in the bacterial cell. This is the bacterial cell which produces endospores, which are thick-walled. They serve as perination. These are endospore. They release, germinate and form new bacterial cell. In this way, in bacteria, asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores, conidia and endospore. Now sexual reproduction. In bacteria, the sexual reproduction does not involve the gamete formation and fertilization. Even a complete DNA of one bacterium does not transfer into another bacterial cell. In bacteria, the genetic recombination takes place during the sexual reproduction. In bacteria, the sexual reproduction takes place or genetic recombination takes place by three methods such as conjugation, transformation and transduction. Now first, conjugation. It is a common method of sexual reproduction in bacteria. In bacteria, conjugation was discovered by Lederberg and Tatum in 1946 in E. coli bacteria. The E. coli bacteria occurs in two forms, or they exist in two forms like donor cell and recipient cell. The donor cell is also known as male cell and recipient is known as female cell. The donor cell bears the sex pili. These are sex pili. And donor cell contains extra chromosomal ring of DNA known as plasmid. This is the plasmid. It is plasmid. In recipient cell or female cell, the sex pili and plasmids are absent. At the time of conjugation, the donor cell get attached to the recipient cell with the help of sex pili and form the conjugation tube. The plasmid of donor cell undergoes replication and form new plasmid. The new plasmid transfer into the recipient cell through the conjugation tube. In this way, the recipient cell is converted into donor cell by the conjugation. This is about the conjugation. Economic importance of bacteria. Some of the bacteria are useful and some are harmful to human being. Now, useful activities of bacteria. Activities of bacteria. Now, useful activities of bacteria. The bacteria are useful to man in different ways. Role of bacteria. In soil fertility, role of bacteria in medicine. They are used as antibiotics. Vitamins. Role of bacteria in industries. Like they are useful in dairy industry, they are useful in tea and tobacco industry, bacteria are also useful in leather industry, role of bacteria in textile industry, role of bacteria in fermentation industry, role of bacteria in sewage disposal, etc. Now, role of bacteria in soil fertility. The nitrogen fixing bacteria, for example rhizobium, they grow in root nodules of leguminous plant They fix the atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrate. By the nitrate, soil become fertile. The free nitrogen fixing bacteria, for example, Azotobacter, Clostridium, they also fix the atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrate. By the nitrate, the soil becomes fertile. Now, role of bacteria in medicine. The bacteria are used in medicine. They are used for the preparation of antibiotics, vitamins, etc. The several types of antibiotics, for example, streptomycin, chloromycetin, terramycin, tetracycline, ariomycin, subtilin, desitracin are prepared from the various species of bacteria. Now, vitamins. Some of the bacteria are useful in the preparation of vitamin B. The E. coli bacteria are found in the large intestine of human being. They secrete the vitamin B and release for human uses. Now, role of bacteria in industry. Many bacteria are useful in different industries like dairy industry, tea and tobacco industry, leather industry, textile industry, fermentation industry, etc. Now, dairy industry. The lactic acid bacteria, they are useful in dairy industry because they convert the milk into curd. From the curd, we can make the cheese, butter, ghee, etc. Now, tea and tobacco industry. After the harvesting of tea and tobacco leaves, they spread under the shade and allow for bacterial action. Such process is known as curing and ripening. Due to the bacterial action or bacteria, they give characteristic flavor, odor and taste to the tea and tobacco leaves. Now, leather industry. The saprophytic bacteria, they grow on skin of animals. They remove the hairs and convert the skin into leather. From the leather, we can make the chappals, boot or shoes, belts, bags, etc. Now, textile industry. The saprophytic bacteria, they are also useful in rating of fibers. For example, hemp, flax, jute, etc. The stem of these plants keep in water for several days and allow for bacterial action. These bacteria dissolve the middle lamella of the jute and lose the fibers from stem. So, we can easily separate the fiber from their stem. From the fibers, we make the ropes, bags, etc. Now, fermentation industry. Many bacteria are used for the preparation of alcohol, acetone, vinegar, etc. Now, harmful activities. Some of the bacteria are harmful to the man, plants, animals, etc. They causes various types of diseases in plants, animals, human beings, etc. For example, tuberculosis, TB. TB is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Typhoid is caused by Streptococcus typhi. Pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Cholera is caused by the Vibrio cholerae. In this way, some of the bacteria causes disease in plants. For example, citrus canker, which is caused by Xanthomonas cytri. Black arm of cotton caused by Xanthomonas malvacearum, etc. First disease is citrus canker. It is caused by Xanthomonas cytri. The citrus canker is caused by the Xanthomonas cytri. Now, symptoms. After the infection, on the stem, branches, leaves develop the brown, irregular, corky patches. This is the fruit. It is twig, leaf and fruit. Symptoms. The symptoms are visible on all aerial parts of the citrus plant. After the infection, develops small irregular brown corky patches on stem, branches, leaves and fruits. Now control measure. This disease can be controlled by the cultivation of disease resistant varieties of citrus plant. Planting of disease resistant varieties of citrus plant, eradication of plant and burning them, collect the fallen twig, leaves, fruits and burning them, spraying of antibiotics, for example streptomycin, phytomycin, neem cake, etc. The plants can be also sprayed with the 1% Bordeaux mixture. In this way we can control the citrus canker. Second plant disease is black arm of cotton.